Now let's work through some exercises from 5B Part 4 on page 192. The directions tell us to change both the quality and the quantity of the following categorical propositions. Let's start with number 2. Some airplane seats are uncomfortable. The keyword some tells me that the quantity is particular, so I want to change that to universal, all. The keyword are tells me that the quality is affirmative, so I want to change that to negative, are not. The resultant sentence is all airplane seats are not uncomfortable places. Now, remember what I said about E-type propositions. People might think you mean some airplane seats are not uncomfortable places, when what we really mean is every airplane seat is a not uncomfortable place, or in other words, no airplane seats are uncomfortable places. So that's the way I'm going to state the final answer. Now let's look at number 4. Some European castles are not heated domiciles. We're going to change the quantity word some to all and the quality words are not to are. And that gives us our answer. All European castles are heated domiciles. Number 6. No refrigerators are self-cleaning machines. This is an E-type statement, so I'm going to think of it in my own way that makes the quantity and quality clearer. All refrigerators are not self-cleaning machines. That makes it easier for me to change the quantity word all to some and the quality words are not to are. And it gives me the answer, some refrigerators are self-cleaning machines. If my way of dealing with E statements confuses you, then just think E-type statements are universal, so I need to make this particular. And they're negative, so I need to make it affirmative. A particular affirmative version of this statement is an I-type proposition, some SRP. So that gives you some refrigerators are self-cleaning machines. Do whatever works for you. Number 10 is another E-type statement that I'll deal with in the same way. No painful experiences are things soon forgotten. That's equivalent to all painful experiences are not things soon forgotten, meaning are things which are not soon forgotten. So I change the all to some and the are not to are, and I get some painful experiences are things soon forgotten. Or again, you can just remember the E-type statements are universal negatives and just think of a particular affirmative statement, some SRP.